Working on myself, working on my health, working on my mind, taking all the time, yeah, that I need just to find me. 'Cause who's gonna do it for me? Working on my habits, cutting off distractions, getting closer to God, yeah, defeating the odds lately. I'm seeing me through a different lens. I'm taking time to do work.
Hello guys, welcome back to Vondessa J. I am your girl, Vondessa J. And if you have not subscribed to my home, what are you waiting on? Come on and join the VeeHive. It is absolutely free. So guys, I have finally gotten myself to the point where I'm ready to change everything downstairs in the dining room and the living room to get prepared to set up Christmas, okay? So I am going to turn the camera and show you guys what it looks like currently. I have to take some furniture out. I do have a piece that I sold this morning on Facebook Marketplace. I am going to do a whole turnaround, and it's like I never had it before. I sat and contemplated. This is the reason why your girl just was not ready for Christmas, because I was like, how am I going to do this? Where's the tree going to go? And then one of my YouTube sisters, Wanted from Wanted House, has a collaboration that I do want to participate in, and it is showing you a space from a catalog and you doing that space like, and I was like, oh my gosh, I know what space I want to do, but how can I turn my furniture to do what it is? So guys, after further ado, sitting down, really putting my mind focused on this to see how I was going to do this, I finally found a way how to do my furniture to incorporate what I want to do and have the Christmas trees exactly like I want it. So what I'm going to do, guys, I am going to go ahead and just show you guys what it currently look like. No, I don't have a lot of things clean because I've been moving things, doing this, doing that, selling some things that I just did not want to have any longer. So I'm going to show you what both spaces look like currently. Then guys, I'm going to pick up the camera. I am not going to show y'all me breaking this stuff down. It's a lot. Don't have time to be moving my camera, and if baby Sony fall and break, I will cry. Because coming up next month will be a year I have my camera, and girlfriend ain't trying to break another camera, no. So I'm going to show you currently what it looks like now. Then guys, I will pick up the camera and show you what it is actually looking like after I have changed it. Now, what's in my brain, guys, the house probably is going to stay the way that what my brain is focusing on right now. So I have a lot of stuff to move, a lot of furniture to break down, a lot of furniture to move out. God, I am so not ready for this. I'm so not ready for this. But further ado, guys, I got to get everything ready for Christmas. So I'll show you what it looks like now. Television will be moving out. Dining room fall decor. All this will be gone. Dining room table will be gone. Here back there, guys, is the coffee station. This piece will no longer be there. Okay, on this side, guys, this is my flowers. So this piece is already sold. The person just got to pick it up today, so it is already sold. So these are my flowers. So bar stool is gonna, of course, stay where it is. So this is what it is. Some pieces here, guys, I got to figure out how I'm gonna put all these glass pieces and stuff up. So we'll be doing that. So we'll be breaking everything. None of this will be on this table. Maybe the candlesticks will, all of the rest of this stuff will be broke down, put up, boxed. So this is what everything looked like currently. So guys, it may take me a day to get all of this done. Currently, I don't know what time it is, but it may take me a complete day to get everything done, because to break down this table and to put that West M table up, that West M table is heavy. Okay, baby, it is heavy, okay? So I got to take a rug, replace a new rug. It's a lot. But nevertheless, guys, this is what it looks like now. So wait a minute, baby. Going too fast. Now So now guys, here what it looks like now. I'ma turn back. Ooh, wait a minute, baby. Going too fast. I'ma turn back. Oh, don't even know what we're fighting for. Damn, I need a minute. So baby, keep your distance. I heard it all, so I'ma just go to find it. Okay, guys, I want to give y'all an update of the dining room. I have not started the living room at all. I took all morning to do the dining room. And guys, I can say I've never had a dining room like this. And it is almost a stopper. It's like really how you set up staging homes. That is how I look at it here. I'm like, oh my gosh, it is so pretty. So the next video, guys, I will bring y'all to do the living room. Your girl just don't feel good to do that. I just came back in, so I need to take a shower. I have not eaten all day, so I need to grab something to eat. And your girl is going to rest for the rest of the day. So never do, guys. So let me go ahead and bring you into our dining room now. I'm gonna turn back. Oh, don't even know what we're fighting for. Damn, I need a minute. So baby, keep your distance. I heard it all. So guys, as I can tell you, we've never had this dining room like this ever. I am honestly loving it. You know, I always tell you guys, when I redo a space, I end up loving the space all over again. And I absolutely really do love it. It's only one thing before I get ready to do the Christmas side of things. I'm going to do this mirror. I talked about this mirror one time before, and I told you guys that I wanted it black. I am going to do that on the next video. You will see it would be already black. It would be, well, not the next video. Next video is the living room. But when I get ready to put the Christmas tree up in the dining room, yes guys, this is the first time I'm putting a dining room back up in the dining room in 3 years. So I am putting a tree, me and my big mouth, in the dining room. So it will be here in this corner. So I will have that mirror already taken care of. So guys, yes, this is the video for today, guys. So if you remember what the dining room looked like before, which is here. So guys, this is the new refresh, and here it is. So baby, keep your distance. I heard it all, so I'ma just go to finally weigh it up. I just need some time alone. Damn, where the hell are my keys? I just wanna leave. Get in my car and I'ma just drive. So if you did like my space and what I did, please do leave it in the comments. Tell me what you like, what you did not like. Do you think it is staging? I am a licensed stager. I am a licensed home interior decorator, and this is something that I love to do. Redoing the space is one of the things that I absolutely love to do. I have not taken y'all into the master bedroom, oh gosh, since I think August of last year. I think it was July, August last year. So I may be bringing you, there's no guarantees, that I may be bringing the bedroom to y'all for Christmas. So if I decide to do that, you will definitely see within the videos. But nevertheless, guys, this is our dining room space, guys. So I can't wait now to go ahead and put everything together for Christmas. Let me tell you, with the dining room table, there's two things that I noticed. I chipped one side of my table, guys. Oh my gosh. I chipped one side of my tables and I scratched the other side. But what I wanted to do, I wanted to add the leaf inside of the table, but I was like, no, because that's going to take up entirely too much space. And knowing I want to put the Christmas tree back in that corner, that's not a good idea. So I just left it as is, and I brought my mother and father chairs back out. But guys, I love this space. Still have our coffee station still set up. So guys, this is the end of this video. I will be back on 2 days from now, which would be my tonight or my tomorrow morning, that I will be doing the living room space, and it will be coming to you all in the next 2 days. So guys, please do like, comment, subscribe, thumbs up my video. Please do share it out. Tell a neighbor, tell a friend. And you know what I always say at the end of all of my videos, I gotta go, but I will be back until the next 2 days, guys. Bye.
Going too fast, I'ma turn back. Thinking that you love the way home.
Oh, working on the enemy. Ain't got no time for